Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Atlas reward credit card to book concerts or sports tickets. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can do that on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or you can do so on the Atlas mobile app. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the credit card account that you want to use to book concerts or sports tickets. And once that's done, just want to click on Entertainment and then review the ticket booking options. So find the one that best suits you and search and book concerts or sports tickets, and then you're going to use your credit card for that. So lastly, you just want to review and confirm your ticket booking details just to make sure everything is accurate and proceed with the booking. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit cards to book concerts or sports tickets. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next